Format timedelta to string. I'm having trouble formatting a datetime.timedelta object. Here's what I'm trying to do. I have a list of objects and one of the members of the class of the object is a timedelta object that shows the duration of an event. I would like to display that duration in the format of hours minutes. I have tried a variety of methods for doing this and I'm having difficulty. My current approach is to add methods to the class for my objects that return hours and minutes. I can get the hours by dividing the time delta. Seconds by 3600 and rounding it. I'm having trouble with getting the remainder seconds and converting that to minutes. By the way, I'm using Google App Engine with Django templates for presentation.
You can just convert the time delta to a string with str. Here's an example.
As you know, you can get the total underscore seconds from a timedelta object by accessing the .seconds attribute. Python provides the built-in function divemod, which allows for or you can convert to hours and remainder by using a combination of modulo and subtraction.
Passing the timedelta object to the str function calls the same formatting code used if we simply type print td. Since you don't want the seconds, we can split the string by colons, 3 parts, and put it back together with only the first 2 parts.
If you want to see more, please subscribe.